Have you ever wondered what makes Hong Kong so popular among travelers? Well, the allure of this city is a tale of two worlds colliding. Imagine a place where East meets West, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modernity. That's Hong Kong for you. Immerse yourself in its vibrant nightlife, pulsating with energy beneath a canopy of neon lights. Feel the rhythm of the city and its bustling markets, where haggling is a sport and every purchase a victory. Take a moment to marvel at the remarkable skyline, a testament to architectural ingenuity, where skyscrapers kiss the clouds and reflect the city's ambition. Hong Kong is a sensory delight, a city that never sleeps, where every corner holds a new adventure. It's a melting pot of cultures, a city of contrast that is as diverse as it is unique. Now let's dive into some of the most visited places in this vibrant city. The Victoria Peak, Hong Kong's highest point, offers a breathtaking view of the city. Imagine yourself standing atop this magnificent peak, the cool breeze kissing your face as you soak in the panoramic vista of the glittering skyline, the bustling harbor, and the verdant mountains. It's a sight that truly embodies the city's blend of natural beauty and urban marvels. Now picture yourself taking a thrilling tram ride up the mountain. As you ascend, the cityscape unfolds before you, a sight that's as awe-inspiring as the destination itself. The journey is a genuine part of the peak experience, a testament to Hong Kong's ability to seamlessly combine tradition with innovation. And the adventure doesn't stop there. The top of the peak is a world unto itself with a plethora of shopping and dining options. Whether you're seeking haute couture or delectable cuisine, you'll find it here. From the peak, we move to another iconic Hong Kong attraction. Paying tribute to the stars of Hong Kong cinema, the Avenue of Stars is a must-visit for film enthusiasts. Nestled on the Tsim Sha Tsui Promenade, this walkway is studded with statues and handprints of Hong Kong's film royalty. From Bruce Lee to Jackie Chan, the Avenue of Stars recognizes and immortalizes the talents that have put Hong Kong cinema on the global stage. But it's not just the glitz and glamour of the film world that makes this place special. The Avenue also boasts an unparalleled view of the Victoria Harbour, a sight that's a spectacle in its own right. The shimmering skyline, the bustling waterways, it's a sight that will leave you breathless. And as the sun dips below the horizon, the Symphony of Lights show takes center stage. This dazzling spectacle of lights and music transforms the skyline into a canvas of color and vibrancy. Next, we take a step back in time at the historic Man Mo Temple. Man Mo Temple, one of the oldest in Hong Kong, is a serene retreat from the bustling city. This temple is a testament to the city's rich heritage and vibrant culture. Its architecture is a sight to behold, with intricate carvings, ornate altars, and stunning murals, each telling a unique story. One of the most striking features of Man Mo Temple is the large incense spirals that hang from the ceiling. They fill the temple with a sweet, mystical aroma, creating an atmosphere of peace and tranquility. These spirals are not just for show. They carry the prayers and wishes of devotees to the heavens, symbolizing the deep spiritual connection between the people and their deities. The Man Mo Temple isn't simply a tourist attraction. It's a vital part of the local community, a place where people come to pray, to seek guidance, and to pay homage to their ancestors. It's a living, breathing testament to the enduring spirit of Hong Kong's traditional beliefs. After exploring ancient traditions, we move to the modern marvel that is the Hong Kong Disneyland. The magic of Disney comes alive at Hong Kong Disneyland, a favorite among families. This fantastical world unfolds across 7 unique lands, each offering its own slice of Disney magic. The Adventureland is a wild ride of exploration and thrill, while Fantasyland brings to life the timeless tales of Disney classics. Then, there's Tomorrowland, a futuristic hub of high-tech fun, and Toy Story Land, where everyone's favorite toys spring to life. Mystic Point, Grizzly Gulch, and Main Street USA complete this magical journey, each with their own distinctive charm and attractions. Among the crowd favorites are the Iron Man Experience and Mystic Manor. But what sets Hong Kong Disneyland apart is its unique blend of Disney magic with distinct Chinese cultural elements. From the feng shui principles incorporated in its design to the Chinese zodiac-themed Garden of 12 Friends, Hong Kong Disneyland is a unique fusion of East meets West. From thrilling rides to delectable cuisine, our next stop is the culinary world of Hong Kong. A trip to Hong Kong isn't complete without indulging in its celebrated culinary scene. This city offers a culinary journey like no other, with its vibrant mix of flavors and styles that reflect its multicultural history. Let's start with the quintessential Hong Kong dish, dim sum. These bite-sized parcels of joy are a staple in local tea houses. Dim sum comes in a variety of forms, from steamed shrimp dumplings to BBQ pork buns, each one bursting with flavor and cooked to perfection. It's a shared meal, a social event, and a tradition that embodies the communal spirit of Hong Kong. And then there's the roast goose. This is a dish with a legacy, a testament to the city's culinary craftsmanship. The bird is marinated and roasted until the skin is crisp and golden, while the meat remains succulent and tender. It's usually served with plum sauce, adding a sweet contrast to the savory goose, creating an irresistible harmony of flavors. But the culinary adventure doesn't stop there. No visit to Hong Kong would be complete without savoring an egg tart. This popular dessert features a smooth, creamy custard nestled in a flaky pastry shell. The tart is lightly sweetened, making it the perfect way to end a meal or enjoy as a midday treat. Hong Kong's cuisine is a fusion of influences, a blend of the old and the new. It's not just about the food, but the experience that comes with it. From the bustling street food stalls to the refined dining rooms of Michelin-starred restaurants, every meal tells a story. The city's food scene is a melting pot of cultures, with Chinese traditions meeting British influences and hints of other international cuisines. It's this diversity that makes Hong Kong's culinary landscape so unique and exciting. So whether it's the iconic landmarks, the rich history, or the mouth-watering food, there's something for everyone in Hong Kong. It's no wonder this city is a favorite among travelers worldwide.